Hello viewers! This is a tutorial on how to automate post scraper on Instagram using Socinator. This makes it easier to search, scrape, and save posts, so you may download media from Instagram. Let's start with the Accounts Manager screen from where we can navigate to configure the accounts. To do that, right-click on your account and hit Go to Tools. It will take you to the account configuration screen. You can also see the available activities which can be automated on Instagram through Socinator. Let's go to the Post Scraper tab because we want to scrape posts on Instagram. This is very useful as it makes it faster and easier to scrape a number of posts within a period of time while narrowing them down in a process. You may also download them. There are several configuration categories for Post Scraper activity. The first one is Search Query. As the name suggests, Search Query allows you to command the software on how to search targeted posts to scrape. There are two important sections in Search Query: Query Type and Query. Query Type defines how you want to search the user's posts. You can select the query type by clicking the drop-down menu. As you can see, it is subcategorized into several different types. Once you have selected your query type, enter the query in the query box either manually by typing, or you may import from CSV or text file by clicking this button. When you're done, click Add Queries to the List button. To show you how this works, let's test each query type. For suggested users' posts, let's input The Rock and click Add. It will be added on the queries list, and the app will search posts of the suggested users of The Rock. For hashtag posts, let's input #dogs and click Add. So this will target posts with this hashtag in the caption. For hashtag users posts, let's use the same hashtag, click Add. This time, it will target the posts of the user who used this hashtag. Next, someone's followers posts. Let's say The Rock. Click Add. So this will target the posts of The Rock's followers. For someone's following's posts, still with The Rock, click Add. So this will target the posts of the users The Rock is following instead. Next is followers of someone's followers posts. Let's use The Rock again. Click Add. So the app will find the posts of the followers of The Rock's followers and scrape them. For followers of someone's following's posts, let's say The Rock. Click Add. So the app will search and target the posts of the followers of the users The Rock is following. For location posts, we need a specific location in Instagram. So let's search. Let's say Tokyo Disneyland. Let's click the location. After searching, you may copy the whole location URL or the whole link. You may also copy only the location ID or the numbers over here. So let's copy and paste it to the query box and click Add. So this will target the posts which used this location. For location users posts, let's use the same location. So this will target the posts of the users who used this location. For custom photos, we need a specific Instagram post. Let's say this one. So let's copy the post URL here and paste it in Socinator. Click Add. So this will target this specific Instagram post. For posts of users who like post, we also need a post URL here. So let's use the same Instagram post. So this will target the posts of the users who like this specific post. For the next one, posts of users who commented on post. So let's use the same Instagram photo. Click Add. So this time it will target the posts of the users who commented on this photo. Next one, specific users posts. So we need to enter the username, let's say The Rock. Click Add. So it will target The Rock's posts and scrape them. Next is Socinator Publisher Campaign. This will depend on the campaigns that you have created and published using Socinator. You may view them by clicking the Socio Publisher tab over here. Finally, the last one will allow you to target your own like posts. You can add several query types and queries depending on your preferences. If you want to delete a query from the list, click the trash bin button at the right side of the query you want to remove. For example, this one, and it's gone. So that would be it for the search query. The next one is job configuration. This allows us to choose the speed at which an account should scrape posts. We have already created a few activity speed configurations which you can use, like slow with an average daily activities of 833, medium with 4,166, fast with 8,333, or super fast with 16,666. Super fast is not recommended for new or real accounts. If you want to define your own speed settings, click Advanced Settings. Delay between each operation is the number of seconds between each Instagram post is scraped. Delay between jobs is the number of minutes the software should pause after scraping the number of posts you've set in the number of media per job. Number of media per job will allow you to specify the number of Instagram posts you want to scrape per job or per cycle. You may also specify the number of Instagram posts to scrape per hour, per day, and per week. Click this box if you want to increase each day with a specific number until it reaches another specific number of max media per day. You can also create a daily schedule under day of the week when to operate. This is very useful if you want to keep scraping posts even when you're asleep or busy doing other things. If you don't want to operate on Monday, click the trash bin button under Monday and it's gone. You can add multiple time frames in one day. Simply click the day you want to configure, let's say Monday, and provide a start and end time. For example, 12 a.m. to 1:59 a.m. Then click Add Interval and it's added. Let's add another one. Let's say 2 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. Click Add Interval. So as you can see, you can have several schedules in one day. You may save these time settings by clicking Create Favorite. Let's call it Post Scraper and click Save. We can then open it by clicking Select Favorite Time, Post Scraper. The next tool is Post Filters. This allows us to filter the posts we want to scrape on Instagram. For example, the post should be recent, so we can specify the post age in days. Let's say 1 day old. Next, you may specify the number of comments that the post should have. Next, you may specify the number of likes that the post should have. Next, you can specify the minimum character length in caption of the post you want to scrape. And finally, you may filter by blacklisted or whitelisted words in caption. For blacklisted words, they are the words that you don't want to be in the caption. Let's say you're not into politics, then type politics. You may clear using the Clear All button. You may also import from CSV or text file by clicking this button and choosing the right file, must not have, for example, and click Open. And they are uploaded successfully. Click Save. For whitelisted words, these are the words that you want to be in the caption. Let's say you're into pets or cats or dogs, then type them in this area. You may edit or delete by clicking the Clear All button. You may also import from CSV or text file by clicking this button over here. Choose the right file, pets for example, and click Open. And they're uploaded successfully. Click Save when you're done. Next is Other Configurations. Here, you may download media from the posts you've scraped on Instagram. You may choose to download video, photos, or album. You may also save posts and specify the required data according to your needs. You may save the number of likes, comments, date and time of the post, as well as location. or select them all. For the media that you download, you can select the folder path of where you want them to be saved. So click Select Folder and specify the folder path. When you're satisfied with all the configurations and are ready to start scraping posts on Instagram, let's scroll up and click the Save button. Success! After saving, let's click the Status button to make it active. To see the results of the posts you've scraped, you may click the Reports tab over here to view them. Let me show you another option in automating post scraper on Instagram using Socinator. This one allows us to create campaigns, which is perfect for multiple accounts. To start, let's go to the upper right corner of the app and click the Social drop-down button and select Instagram. This will take us to the Accounts tab. Let's switch to the InstaScrape tab and select Post Scraper on the left side of the app because we want to scrape posts. Here, we can create and name our campaign. Let's call it Instagram Post Scraper. For search query, let's target posts with hashtag cats. Click Add. For job configuration, an average daily activities of 833 should be okay, so let's select slow. For post filters, let's target recent posts, so 1 day old. For other configurations, let's download cat video, so download video and photos. And let's check Save Posts to Profile. For required data, let's select all. For the folder path, Documents is great. So when you're ready, let's click the blue button, select Account or Accounts. In this part, you can select multiple Instagram accounts. Since we only have one account right now, let's go with that by checking the box and click Save. After saving, let's click the red button, Create Campaign. So if you want to proceed, check the box of the account and click Save. This will automatically bring us to the Campaigns tab, where we can see that we have successfully created our Instagram Post Scraper campaign. Click the Status button to pause the campaign, and the Action button here will allow you to edit, duplicate, or delete the campaign. To view the posts you've scraped, click the Report button over here. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned a lot, and thank you so much for watching.